Hello everybody. Long time we are having some videos. During this time we get very good response from your sides. First of all, thank you very much. We appreciate your comments. And most of the people asked how we clean our PVC and our PVC doors and windows. Here is the idea. If you clean your doors and windows regularly, it's gonna be perfect solution. Even you can use just natural water and some soap, it's okay. But if you don't clean it regularly, after some time, it's gonna be a problem. In this video, we will show you that one door and window, it's not cleaned regularly, and long time there is some mess on it. So right now on this video, we just put a sticker and up and down we will apply a special chemical which is not a hard one. You can even use this for furniture and even your leather faces, so that we will see the result, how it's gonna give some solution or it's not gonna work. You can find this type of material. Let's apply and see how we clean our PVC profile face, which gets messy and dirty. And now just I'm applying this solution, which is not a harsh chemical. It's not like gonna give some problem to the face of the PVC. As you see here, the material, the solution gives a very good result. It just solves some dirty things. It goes down. And we will show you up and down difference very clearly. And right now I'm just wiping softly, and as you see the difference it's very clear. The upper side is yellow and the downside is just white. I hope you can see clearly the difference between up and down side. So that again, I can tell you, if you have regular maintenance, I mean just weekly or 2 times, 3 times in a month, if you wipe your PVC profiles, it's okay. You don't need any special chemicals. But if you say, no, I want to take care of my material, I want to do good maintenance for my materials, so that you can use this type of chemicals, solutions, which can give you very great solutions. As you see, right now I'm just taking off the sticker, and just you can see the difference between up and down. Yellow, dirty, and some messy appearance on the top, and the below it's very clear, clean and white. Thank you very much.